She keep calling every single night. And I don't mind, pushing cute vibes. Oh no, swear to God.
Animation, just curb, burr, burr, burr. Calm down.
That'll be a great
There's
intro.
no ear
Thank
rape.
you.
Yes, earrape.
No ear rape.
Yes, earrape!
That's why I had you turned down.
My freaking microphone keeps.
I don't like
Can
chilies.
you still hear me?
I can barely
I like
hear you because I have
pizza.
you at 2%.
Well, you might want to turn it down.
Well, you're gonna ear rape me.
Dude, this guy has like the full freaking marshmallow set. So,
Yeah, I know.
so does. Well, actually, no, that packs.
People are addicted.
Wait, what? Who said that?
Where are we going?
Peasant.
Right? What?
Let's go salty.
Which
Sam,
one?
Going salty
Salty
Lagoon.
Springs. No, salty.
Oh wait, why do I have a jetpack?
Because
Pepper
it's
legs.
shotgun and jetpack only.
Oh.
With those pistols.
No, they removed the pistols.
They did?
Yeah.
Is it because they were so dumb? It's a shotgun only game mode with dual pistols.
Shotgun only,
Do
but there's
that.
dual pistols, by the way.
There's lots of people going. I'm gonna go over here.
Shotgun
Sam,
only.
can I land with you? I feel comfortable with you. Wait, what?
Sure.
Oh,
no
okay.
Gay boy.
What did you say to me?
Somebody has a gun. I'm out. I'm
Let
out.
him- if
I'm
they
just
do
gonna
that-
hide in
Gun.
here.
Oh, the first gun I got.
Parker,
was
come
a
down here, get
pepper
the wet napkin.
Is that normal?
Where's the wet napkin?
When you walk down, you should see it. There's a purple pump down here, too. If you
Oh frick, guys, help me!
You mean my taffy
No.
cap?
No, it's a wet napkin, Parker.
Guys, help me! I'm dying.
coming.
You guys suck!
You didn't land with us, you what?
Wait, where did he go?
At the other house.
I hear a person. I feel scared.
I thought you guys wanted to land at different houses, you freaking idiots, because you always complain when someone lands at the same house as you.
Okay, I'm here.
I need you to calm down, sir.
Great idea.
He's one hit.
My aim assist
What
isn't
is?
working.
Parker, just tag him!
Headshot.
You guys can't aim!
Res me, res
Max, res him. I
Max.
got this guy.
Max! Max! Revive me!
I'm really laggy. I'm sorry.
Revive me!
No,
Bye, guys.
I'm literally at 250p.
We're all gonna die.
Shut up.
Bye, guys. It was nice knowing you.
Run away!
Max, there's
Good
somebody
job,
over there
Sam.
that's low, if you want to go kill them. Oh, it's that
Ow.
guy. He's low.
What is going on? No!
You're just,
Why
oh, you're about
What's
to
going
die.
on? I can't go back down.
If you have a med kit, you're a hacker. No cheating hacker.
Good job, Sam.
Hack attack.
Good job, Sam. You missed.
Stop killing people.
You missed again. Good job, Sam.
Another time?
Good job, Sam. Good job,
Damn, Sam.
Max.
I did nothing. I feel accomplished.
I feel accomplished. I
You
finished
guys are
somebody.
inside the circle if you're wondering.
Just
Look
run
out.
Jesus, I suck at PC.
Why are you on PC? Why is he flying in a house?
Why did you just do that?
Because he couldn't hit me.
Because Sam acted cool. Sam's cool.
Yeah.
Sam's
Max,
cool like
make
that.
sure your jetpack will pull out. Like, not pull out, but will work.
You have to tap it twice. You can't
Max,
just hold it
you
down.
have to grab a different jetpack. There's a glitch where if you grab someone else's jetpack, it doesn't work.
Got it.
Wow, Sam, you're doing pretty well, wouldn't you agree?
I agree.
Oh, you have a boombox. You better use it. Make me proud.
Could you stop
Yeah,
ear
use the
raping?
boombox.
I thought you had my volume low so you can't hear me
And
really.
then you told me to turn you up.
Well, you can turn it back down.
Alright, I'll have you on 3% again.
No, turn it up a little bit.
Why?
'Cause I might.
25 equals my ears are bleeding.
Fine, I won't ear rip you as much.
As much?
Yeah, as much.
I'll just mute you
Great
in
idea.
general.
No.
Then don't ear rape at all.
Okay, what if it's directed at your friend?
At least warn me if you're gonna ear rape, alright? Like, let me turn your volume down before you ear rape.
Okay. Sam, why are you running into a car?
Because I had auto run on because I was trying to turn the volume back up. Max, are you ready to fly out in a quad crasher?
You guys
Oh
are
my
inside
God,
the
yes.
circle.
Who cares? We want kills. Or,
I miss
correction, want
my
kills.
old mics that I used to have because they would bend over towards my mouth and I would put it in my mouth and I would start blowing on it and everybody like was deaf.
You miss it because
Do
you
you
can
remember
feel
that,
it.
Sam, when I started blowing in it? It went,
Yeah, and then I muted you.
and then you muted me.
The seat's kind of
How do you do
overpowered.
this?
No, dude, this is down. This is why they have planes.
Who needs? I think this might be actually faster than planes.
I
It
might
is.
want to go the other way. Ah!
Why?
Oh, you idiots! Don't die.
Kid. 1 million points. It's not.
You excuse me while I grab
It's just 1 million.
this? Oh, there's people behind us.
Great. Because now I have ice feet. I hit him for 110. I helped.
I hit him for 31.
31 to him.
Looks like there's people above you.
Dude, that's a jetpack.
Oh.
Jetpack. That probably won't stop making noise until they get out of tilted.
Alright, time to fly back to zone. Get in.
Yeah, Max.
Sam, are you gonna put this on your YouTube channel?
Depends on if I win or not.
Wait, are you actually running your YouTube channel now?
Yeah,
What's it called?
it's just like my username.
Okay, I'll be right back. I can get my iPad.
Wait, Dean, you should subscribe.
You see this guy? I'm running into him.
Are you sure about that?
Mom wants us.
I don't know.
I'm not sure about that then.
I definitely ran into him.
Oh well.
I just wanted to make
I'm
sure.
back here now.
Ram I've ever seen.
Sam, I'm looking up your YouTube channel. You better have a good intro.
What's a really good intro, man?
I hate this intro.
Oh, is that why there's YT in front of your name?
Yeah.
Are there spaces?
Yeah, YT is better than Twitch.
Dean, I'll link to you. It's you in Discord after this.
Ah! My ping! No! My ping is 700, so that's a lot.
I saved
What's your
you.
ping at 100?
You would have fallen off over
It's
here.
500.
I can't find it.
I'll link it to you after this.
No, that's a. Like, what is going on?
Double graphic.
You should go to Circle. He's trying to run away, Sam. Don't let that happen.
Christian Fortnite server.
No! Mr. Sir?
No
you
cursing
can
in my
stay.
Christian Minecraft server. Pickaxe him. Pickaxe him. Max, don't do it. He wants to pickaxe him.
Okay.
Ah.
Worth it.
Yes.
Ah, wait.
Hold these med. I'll hold them. Well, Max, when we get in zone, we're gonna
Watch
use a
out behind you.
campfire.
Sam.
Sam, look out. Sam, you've been spooked.
Max, stop healing. We'll campfire when we get to zone. didn't have a. Oh, he did have a gun.
There's more.
There's
people.
lots. There's people in front of you.
Ow!
Why are there so many
Oh,
people?
and above you apparently.
Great.
Max, we're gonna launch
Take a
pad.
med kit.
Right. Ah! Ah!
Launch
This
pad right now.
stupid person. So gay.
I know, right?
Yes.
He's so happy. I can't live with it.
Max, come here.
He's too happy.
Yeet. I also have 2.
Get ready to
Okay,
destroy the
so
campfire
I
as
have
you
football
get
Three
at
med
that.
kits, and Sam, you have 2 med kits.
How did you get that?
It's free in the item shop.
Oh, it is?
It's like the hot merit. It's free.
Oh. When this
Yeah,
is
that
done,
I didn't
remind me
get
to
the gift
get
from
it.
Xbox, because I was on my grandparents' house. And so instead I got it on my
That's a lot of
my
damage.
That's a lot of damage.
No, what Sam just did was a lot of damage. He did 22.
Big hits. 11 big hits.
11.
Ha!
Can't edit this. I don't know who's worse, Max or these guys.
Good job, guys. You
I
did
think
well.
it's Max,
There's 3 minis and a med kit here if you want to hold them.
which you can't hold because this game's trash. Wow. You hold 6 minis.
Damn, why I gotta be so mean to me?
How many kills do we have? 13, 15.
There's 18 people left.
Wait, really? I
Wow.
couldn't tell.
Sam, you have
Yeah.
12 and Max has
Actually,
2.
there's 16 people left.
Max, why do you have 2 kills?
Dean, you have 0. You can't be trash talking.
I
Shut
have
up.
Yeah.
1.
Ha!
Sam, you carrying how do you carry?
Northeast.
I
You-
haven't
so
played
you're
on
carrying.
PC in forever, I'm sorry.
Dean, you're carrying.
then
What
play
do you
on
mean?
controller. If you're better on controller, play on controller because we need a win.
Okay, well, let's see if this even goes well, because...
Look out. Someone has a sky base, by the way.
Hopefully,
Max, we're gonna
Hopefully
go
your
fight these
ping-
guys.
gets better. If you don't have 500 pings playing on controller. 17 big hits. Still kills. Oh, still kills.
Stand over there.
Bye, buddy.
he had no idea what was going on.
Max, there's a bunch of stuff over here.
So
Okay,
there's Max Wood and Max Brick. I call
Nice.
hacks. I call hacks.
this is gonna
That
be
sky
a win.
base is gonna be very annoying, guys.
I can just build up to it if I wanted to.
Oh my god, what is your materials?
This is gonna be my second squad's win, and I'm actually not gonna be carried this time.
Look at those
Well,
two
yes, I
snowmen
am
just
gonna be
sitting
carried.
over there.
I have 14 kills. Are you sure about? Oh,
There's
look,
people. Go murder their face.
Wait, you have 14 kills?
Uh-huh.
Damn!
No, he has 12.
He's about to get spooked. He just got jumped by 2 people.
Hey you. Hey you.
Yeah!
He's still alive. Oh, 209 headshot.
Oh, you got balloons. Oh, you didn't pick them up.
Yay.
So you guys have 6 med kits. So I think you can afford to take one, Sam.
I'll take it in the open because I'm a
Sick.
baller.
You're
Well, I
going to
mean, nothing's
well,
really
actually,
gonna
I mean, they
happen
can't really do
unless-
anything.
unless somebody
So-
just jumps on you.
Ah, I jumped.
Ah.
Ah. Ah.
Alright, so what's happening is we're going to this launch pad and we're going to zone.
How
Okay.
many launch pads do you have?
Well, right now I have
I
1.
don't know. Sam has like infinite amounts of everything.
Well, you see, when you have 15 kills, you have a lot of stuff.
What traps do you
Yeah,
have?
this is true.
I have 5 traps, a campfire, and a launch pad.
Alright, so you can
traps?
probably
Sam, you need
outlast
to train me.
them.
Wait. I was just like, what? I couldn't move through the bush. And I was like,
He just runs out of the bush.
Max, will you let me get these kills so I can get 20?
sure.
So then he can upload it after he wins. Not jinxing it. Don't worry about it.
Epic
why do
20
you have
kill
to be so
victory royale.
That would be a good clickbait title. I mean,
Yeah.
not clickbait.
Yeah.
That guy was just hiding in a bush.
Person.
What does
Sam,
the
are you
TH
recording
stand
right
for,
now?
Sam?
Yeah. It stands for a thick boy.
Oh.
Sam.
No, it doesn't.
Thick her.
Oh wow.
Okay.
This is very fun.
You have to
They're
throw-
gonna get caught by the
Oh, I
storm.
know.
but-
Sam, why would you do that? Sam, you're trying to be friends. Don't do it. Don't do it, Sam.
Do it, Sam.
You just wanted to be
Max, let me kill him.
I think he
Sam, you know
started
your
dancing
audio works,
too.
right? So if you uploaded this, they would all know that it's clickbait because, like you said, what you killed him.
No, it's not
What'd you
clickbait. Because it's not. Because the guy can't. Like, I'm just telling my teammate not to take my kill. The question is, do I
Oh.
go for 20 kills or do I go for a heal off? 20 kills.
Heal off.
Heal off?
I'm going for 20 kills.
Sam.
What if-
stop.
Are you going for him, Sam?
Yeah. I'm gonna knock him down and then we'll fight him on the ground.
Don't
No.
worry, Max. You and
Wow.
Max, you stay down
See,
there.
look
and
how
then he's gonna
close you
knock
are to
them down for you,
the
okay?
base.
Oh my god, my ping is going up again.
Oh, I messed up.
What's going on?
Epic
They're gonna be coming.
royale.
Max, are you fighting? Damage. You took 10
Dude, just
damage.
shoot! Yes! Yes!
Wait, what
I
did you
may
do,
have
Sam?
just-
They're probably gonna repair it.
Did he not have a jetpack?
You're so mean.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I need to build up and kill this guy for 20. This is literally, I need this kill and I get 20 kills. Max,
be
don't
in the
kill
storm.
him.
Well, I'm in
Sam.
the storm.
You're about to be in the storm, Sam. Oh no, never mind. You guys need to.
If you
I'm just
build up
kinda
high
gonna
enough,
be
you
down
can just
here.
grapple up there.
Feeling.
Why is it moving so much?
I don't know.
What's moving?
Do this?
Yeah, it's supposed to.
I don't think you can make it, Sam.
I literally don't care. Follow
Oh!
the
Oh, he jumped off!
No, if he dies to fall damage, save yourself. Let's go!
Oh!
Yeah!
Can you imagine if he died from fall damage? What would you say?
I'd be mad.
Take a picture, Sam. Make it your screenshot.
Dude,
Or your
I have it on recording.
thumbnail.
I have it on recording.
Oh, alright.
Are you gonna upload it?
Yeah, why would I not upload it? It's a 20 kill win.
I'm guessing that's rare.
Yeah, that's my first 20 kill of the season.
Mm.